Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinungaling, DNR o Masungit. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test,
Where?
polygraph test, para malaman kung sino sinungaling.
Grabe, viral na naman ang video na ito. Senator Rapi Tulfo at Senator Cynthia Villar nagkabanggaan na naman sa loob ng Senado. Panoorin mo ang video na ito at ikaw na ang humusga.
Kasi yung experience ng Masungi, pwede pong magamit ng Project Transform. Mapapakinabangan po ng Project Transform itong experience at itong magandang record ng Masungi. Kayo po, Madam.
But,
Negosyante po kayo, Madam Sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of
I'm not
Masungit.
talking about Madam Sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessmen maybe. Yung mga tusong businessman maybe.
Hindi. Kasi
Pero pag
yan
hindi
daw,
tusong negosyante,
based on
hindi.
the history of Masungi, they were granted that to build socialized housing during the old times. You have to go back to the history. They did not build socialized housing. They built what do you call this? A resort. And that is not the original intention of the Masungi Geo Reserve. Oo. So, in fairness to our government officials, they cannot allow something illegal because they will answer for it in the future.
So ito pong mga member ng Project Transforms, ito po ay mga violators. So aren't they considered as illegal?
Inimbita daw nila, hindi nagpunta.
Hindi po inimbita ang Masungi. No, Masungi was invited. We talked to Masungi. Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagin ni Masungi. Did somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinungaling, DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test,
Where?
polygraph test, para malaman kung sino sinungaling.
Of the Masungi Rock.
Meron ba kayong pinadalang sulat?
The Masungi Rock Management Council was invited and Masungi Geo Reserve is part of it.
Well, show us proof, like letter of invitation. Kasi siyempre, pag in-invite sila, hindi naman verbal lang yan. Yan po'y pinapadalan sila ng sulat. Nasaan po yung sulat na they were officially invited, not just verbally. Can you show us? Where is it?
We will provide you the invitation to the council of which Masungi Geo Reserve is a member.
No, what I'm saying is a letter of invitation which
Yes,
would
they're looking
indicate
for it.
that they were officially invited. Without that letter, parang hearsay lang, na-invite kahit na hindi. At syempre, sabihin ng Masungi, we weren't invited. At sasabihin po ng DNR, yes, you were invited. So, paano natin malaman kung sinong sabing totoo o hindi? Dapat may invitation letter and then we receive.
Mr. Tulfo, Senator Tulfo, they have a copy of the
Can
invitation.
we see that?
Forward it to you.
Okay, that's good enough.
Hindi lang nila dala ngayon, but they will forward it to you.
Now, moving on. Next time naman kasi, kayo dyan sa DNR, pag meron kayong mga project, gawin nyo naman malinis po yung mga project ninyo. Gawin nyo naman pong malinis po yung mga intent ninyo kapag kayo po'y nagsibak ng mga grupo. Ayos nyo naman po. Huwag naman yung parang lokohan para sa akin. I'm sorry for the word. Kasi para sa akin, Masungi should have been invited. Tingnan na natin itong award, mga award na natanggap nila. Isn't this enough? Aren't these enough? These awards? International awards po. Hindi yung award lang na hausyaw na dito lang gawa-gawa ng kung sino-sinong grupo. These are international awards, well known. groups.
They should be included, but in the end, you cannot give a land owned by the government to a private.
I'm no longer, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor, I'm no longer questioning that. Pass na tayo dyan. Ang sa akin lang, yeah, sabi ko nga, they might...
They will give you the invitation. It's just that it's not with them now, but they will send you.
And then on top of that, babalik ulit tayo na sana hindi nila in-invite yung dalawang suspendido, sinuspend nila yung permit. Now, sabi nyo kanina, you did mention na yun ay isang gathering ng disciplinary something. Can you repeat again? It's a gathering of disciplinary...
Multi-stakeholder collaboration to rehabilitate the area together with LGU. The stakeholders plan and identified projects to be implemented.
Na-mention niyo po kanina, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, yung word disciplinary. Can you mention that again?
Ito, transdisciplinary approach towards natural resources conservation and resilience through multi-stakeholder
Exactly.
collaboration.
Exactly. Dinisiplina nyo itong dalawang kumpanya itong dalawang tao dahil violator sila and yet you invited them.
Baka mahilig mag-attend.
I'm sorry, Madam Speaker.
Meron kasing mahilig mag-attend. Merong ibang hindi mahilig mag-attend.
Ayun, sino po yung mahilig mag-attend?
Siguro itong dalawang to mahilig mag-attend.
Exactly. Thank you. I rest my case.
Isang pagpapatunay na ipinapakita ni Senator Rapi Tulfo na walang mayaman, walang kapwa senador, basta nasa tama, ipaglalaban ni Senator Rapi Tulfo. Kaya naman i-share mo na ang video nito. Ikaw bilang isang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo sa tapang at malasakit na ipinapakita ni Senator Rapi Tulfo para ipaglaban tayo? Well, i-comment mo na ang iyong reaksyon sa video sa baba.